Hi everyone. In this video, we will understand what is AWS KMS and what are different key types available in KMS. Then we will understand how envelope encryption is used for symmetric keys and how permissions and integration work with AWS KMS. Then we will create a mini project to understand symmetric encryption, and we will create a serverless password manager where you can store your passwords, and passwords will be encrypted and stored in DynamoDB. And then we will understand how asymmetric encryption works in KMS, and to understand it properly, we will create another mini project which is JWT authentication server. For KMS itself, we will start from scratch, but for making mini projects, it's good if you have understanding of how Lambda, Cognito, and API Gateway work in AWS. And if you're not sure, then you can check out my previous videos on AWS Cognito and serverless CRUD app using AWS.